DJI announced Mavic 2, a true successor to Mavic Pro, which has only seen iterative updates since its introduction in 2016. But instead of a single drone, DJI sells the Mavic 2 and the Mavic 2 Pro, which is armed with a camera designed by Hasselblad and a large image sensor, and the Mavic 2 Zoom, which has a 2x optical zoom. The Mavic 2 Pro starts at $1,449, and the Zoom starts at $1,249. Both drones trigger 4K sequences at up to 100 megabits per second and have 8 gigabytes of internal storage, which can be increased through microSD. The drones have a maximum speed of 44 miles per hour and offer a flight time of up to 31 minutes. Based on a previous Mavic update, they are now quieter than ever. They are equipped with 10 sensors to avoid obstacles in all directions and have been equipped with the new image transmission system DJI's OcuSync 2.0 that transmits a live view of 1080p to the remote control through your phone to less than 5 miles from distance. Both are bent in the style that the original Mavic Pro helped pioneer.